a savage, dude.
Hell yeah, brother, you should be here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, right? Today we're at Adam's open house. I don't know if you guys will be familiar with a car that we've actually already filmed before. This is when we were tuning with Martin. It's good to finally see this car again, dude. It's such a sick build. Martin, I know you're gonna watch the video, and I love looking at this thing in person. This is ridiculous, dude. This is probably the most dumb, awesome build I've ever seen in my life. It's probably my favorite right now on anybody's channel. Look how ridiculous this is. This is the sickest thing you've ever tuned, in my opinion, bro. Dang, bro, way to just leave me. I suffer from separation anxiety.
Oh, what? Oh,
wow, don't even focus on me. So now I'm gonna go to the same spot, which is, BC Racing's parking lot, because last year it was pretty wild too. I cannot express how many R33s are here, but they're all so clean. Oh, and it's V-Spec, dude. That's wild, bro. I don't even know what this is, but this is sick. It looks tight. Looks like a spaceship on the inside. It smells new too. I think this car has like no miles, I think. And again, this is another one from last year that we filmed too, but dude, it's just, oh man. Probably one of the most beautiful spec'd out R34s ever. I know this one was in Dustin's video too, but just look. Jesus Christ.
I was asked not to until they go crazy. I'm not gonna be that guy this time.
No, totally be that guy.
I can't yet. Okay, today we'll do it. We'll do it today.
We'll say it was them.
Broken. No.
Yeah, they won't even know.
It's not broken. It works. It is broken. It's a piece of shit. Anyway, I promise we'll do it. I promise we'll do it. Okay, I promise. Just not now.
You pinky promise?
I pinky promise.
Okay. First of all, what's your IG? Shout yourself out.
Just_do it.
Bro, you are like the 8th million person to tell me that I'm a lot taller.
Oh, you're tall as
Do I look that short on camera?
a little bit.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Damn, that kind of hurts, bro.
I got so tired of taking the Allens off. It took me like 20 minutes to do it.
No.
No, what the
Literally. Spark plug! No, dude, it's literally just spring clip done, boom. Like literally.
That's amazing.
This car was put together. This car's put together with duct tape, zip ties, there's super glue on it in places.
Yeah, I can see you right there.
I got the car. I got the car. Look,
Where's the super glue?
Not super glue, but
in the inside.
Bungee cord.
You got a bungee cord right there.
Yeah, it's a bungee cord. I bought the car for $3,400, and I didn't have money. I'm not rich. I don't come from money. I worked every day. I was a car salesman for 11 years. I worked my ass off 9 to 5, just like every one of you. I built this with what I had, with how I could do it, and every part on it is eBay. It's cheap. It's the most budget-built Supra on the planet.
And it's the loudest.
But it's so loud.
But it's also the slowest. It's so, honestly, it gets beat by everything. But you know what? I don't give a because I take the roof off, put on Bob Marley on the radio, and I cruise at night.
There you go. It's spit fire too. Like
and it gets girls wet.
Gentlemen, if you get that shirt dirty, I don't know if we have any more. You might have to wear a wet shirt.
Wait, pause. No one's effing running to that and hitting it.
No one?
I'm not gonna miss.
Navo's putting the hole in Jamaica.
Yeah. It's not about aggression, it's about accuracy.
Well, Navo knows. Navo, give me.
Ready?
I'm ready.
This is cold. Y'all said it was warm. Reload.
Sean covered his mouth.
No one's effing running to that and hitting it.
No one?
Last thing I expect out of any kind of meet or anything like that is a dunk take, so that's pretty cool. It's like a lot of us, what we're actually waiting for is just a two-stepping to start. And plus, Black Widow Super promised to do it, so we gotta make him do it. You know what? Let's go ahead over here. Let's just see if he'll actually start doing it right now, because he owes us. And technically, it is later. So wait, it's later?
Huh?
It's finally later?
I'm gonna leave, dude. I'm gonna park it right on the street here, two-step the out of it, and dip out.
Yeah. This is actually the first time I'm hearing Black Widow Supra's two-step in person. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty nervous.
I know, bro. I got you.
Dude, just say, wow, I feel like a midget, dude. Dude, can you just say what's up to Roger for me, bro?
What's up, Roger? Hell yeah, brother. You should be here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, right? Thank you, bro.
Hey, absolutely, man.
Dude, wow. I literally feel like a midget next to Cletus, dude. That's crazy. Hey, Roger, you're welcome, bro. We've been just like standing here and in front of what? Out of everything?
I was like, we want to hear this. We literally have been waiting, what, like 30 minutes?
Yeah, around there.
Yeah, it's been a while, bro. Like the whole point of this, I just want to finally see it in person. After Martin tuned it, it's just, I've been in love with this build ever since then.
Everybody's all focused on the raffle right now. Dude, this is why we waited. This is why we waited. Look at this swarm of people. Oh my God.
Smarter than us.
Okay, so long story short, if this blows up, we're gonna die. Okay, I accept it. It's cool.
Hey, bring your flowers to the hospital. It's okay.
I lived a good life.
Warm up for a little bit, just so you guys understand that.
I lived a good life, dog. I'm ready.
I'll take over your channel. Don't worry.
Appreciate you, bro.
Step your game up!
Alberto's got a new engine, so you should probably blow that one up, right?
Let's go right over there. Good suggestion, bro.
You're a savage, dude. So look, I'm not gonna lie, while everybody's going crazy, I think there's R34 over there. Let's go over there. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, babe. I don't touch my hand. Can't hear crap at all. Like, dude, everybody has to come all the way over here just to vlog.
Oh yeah, it hurts. Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. What the hell? Why is everybody running? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to the few that said what's up here. It was really nice to meet you guys. If you guys liked it, just please make sure you like and subscribe. Helps the channel get out more. And what else? So you want to close this one out? You want to do it? You want to do it?
Yeah.
All right. And as always, give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
You got